here's the app called Stardust, period and pregnancy app, cycle tracker, and moon calendar app. It's really high in the charts, so it's kind of like a women app, but well-made app. Women-owned and data encrypted app. Predict your next period, track all the fun symptoms, and then then you have feelings, and then sync with your close friends, see how hormones affect your mood, align your cycle with the moon. And then Stardust is a free period pregnancy and hormone tracker health app that teaches you how to work with the phases of your cycle. We integrate science, ancient wisdom, astronomy, and AI to help you understand the magic of your cycle, track your experiences, manifest goals, and befriend your body. Whether you're trying to predict your period, you can understand your symptoms, so you can just get personal daily insights. So that's basically the app made by women, and that's why it's loved by women. So again, you can also add your partner to this app. There are some social features. So yeah, and then that's basically how you get started.